this video, we will be showing how to update the license and firmware of your Promira Serial Platform. To get started, you will need to have the Control Center Serial software downloaded and open on your computer. Once opened, simply plug the Promira Serial Platform into the computer via the micro USB cable. Then, connect the device to the software by opening the adapter menu and clicking on the Connect option. Select the proper device and then click OK. Once connected, you will see a green light appear on the tool. This green light signifies that the Promira platform is ready to transfer data. Now, to update the device, go back to the adapter menu and select Upgrade License and Firmware at the bottom of the menu. A message box will appear letting you know that you are initiating the update procedure. You must click OK to confirm you wish to continue the process. Another message box will now appear with the next steps. The device will now reboot into its update mode and appear on your computer as a mass storage device. Now, simply download the latest version of the Promira firmware from the TotalPhase website or your newly upgraded license from your account on the TotalPhase website. Once downloaded, simply drag the .pmu file onto the mass storage Promira device. Wait 30 seconds, then safely eject the storage device from the computer. Power cycle the device by unplugging and reconnecting it to the computer. You will notice as you plug the Promira platform back into the computer, an orange light will appear. The light will stay orange for a few seconds, then all 3 LEDs will turn solid blue. In about 5 seconds, the lights will start flashing blue in rapid succession. Once the update has been completed, there will be a single blue light illuminated on the tool. The whole process should take around 15 seconds. If you're installing both updated firmware and an upgraded license file, you'll need to repeat the process as only one .pmu file can be installed at a time. Now, close and relaunch the Control Center Serial software. Then, reconnect the Promira platform to the software. Once successfully connected, you will see a green light appear on the tool. To ensure the update was successful, you can check the current version and license by opening the adapter menu and selecting Version and License. At the top of this page, you can see that our Promira platform is running the firmware we just installed, firmware version 1.35. For more information about the Promira Serial Platform, please visit us online at www.totalphase.com.